Hey guys, today we will be making this design using CSS. So let's discuss what element we will be using to make this design. So first of all, we will require a span that will act as a wrapper to contain all the child elements. Then we will require the first column, second column and third column, and each column will have a base that is of yellow color. On the top of base there will be two circles. So I have prepared the HTML structure like this. This span will be acting as the wrapper to contain all the sub elements like columns, and then each column will have a base. On the top of base there will be circles like outer circle and inner circle in each column. And also I have removed the default margin and default padding given by the browser, and also made the box size into the border box. So now let's design our HTML structure. So first of all, we will give color to the body, and our body has background color of this purple color. So we can copy from here and paste it here, and then we will design our span. So span has three columns, 1, 2 and 3. For this we can use grid, display, grid, and grid template columns to make the columns. Like this. And okay, so it is difficult to see the progress here. We can use the Chrome dev tools to see our progress. So let's inspect and have a look. So our span is now a grid. Yes, it has 3 columns, but it does not have any height. So give it a height of 100%. Yes, now it is now the span has height of 100%. We can copy the styles from here and paste it here. So this is our first column, second and third column. So let's start by first designing the first column. So each column has a background color of yellow. Give them a yellow color. So we can select each column using col class .col and give them a background color of yellow. Copying and pasting here. Okay, so we can also see that our body has a padding on left, top and right. So we can give the body a padding of 50 pixels on top and 50 pixels on right, 0 pixels on bottom and 50 pixels on left. Also we can see that our first and third column have approximately 50% height of the span. Let's adjust the heights. Column 1 and column 3 have height of approximately 50%. Yes. Okay, so why the column 3 is not affecting? Okay, we missed the dot here. Yes, so now the alignment is we do not require this alignment. So let's fix this by using align items property on the grid. Align items to the end. Yes. Okay, so we have aligned the items to the end. So we have not set the height of column 2 explicitly. We will have to explicitly we have to explicitly set the height of column 2 to 100%, like this. Yes, now it seems matching. So now we have this design. So let's now handle the styling of the circles. I have represented the circles using dot circles class. So let's use this class dot circles and grab the first div in the circles class like this, and give it a width of 100%. And if we give the height of 100% to it, it will span to the total height of the column like this. We can see this by giving a border 1 pixel solid. Yes, we can see that the div is spanning to the whole height of the column. We can reduce this by using the aspect ratio. Aspect ratio will make the height equal to the width of the div like this. Now the height is equal to the width of the div. Okay, so now we have to make a border radius of 50% to every div. Okay, so it is not placed in the required position. We will have to move the circles upward. We will use the transform property, transform, and translate y. If we use positive value in the translate y, the circle will move down. If we use negative value, the circle will move up. Let's see by example. If we use 20 pixel, the circle has moved down. If we use minus 20%, then the circle will move upward. Okay, so in order to move this point here, we have to move this circle 50% of its height. We can use this by 50% height. Okay, so the circle has now moved 50% above its original position. So we can see that the circle is touching the top of our screen. So we can use 100 pixel of padding on the top of body like this. Okay, so we will remove the border, and we have to color each circle according to its column. Okay, so we can grab column 1 and column 3, and inside the circles we will grab first div like this. Similarly for column 3, we can use the outer class, but that is a very familiar way. We will use this to grab the first div of the circles like this. So the column 1 and column 3 outer circle has the dark pink background. We will use this, and so here is the result. And similarly we will select and design the inner div like this. And the inner div has this color, so copy and paste from the right panel like this. Okay, it is not affecting. So let's see what the problem is here. What is the problem here? We can use this and this. Okay, the background is applied, but this circle do not have any width. So we can use this property to give the width to these circles. Width is almost 60%, and to make the height equal to width, we will use aspect ratio to 1. Okay, and the border radius is also 50% for these divs. Place these divs in the center. We will use grid on these outer circles like this. Display grid and place items to the center. Yes, here we can see the result. By checking this check mark, we can compare the result like this, and it is like it is matching exactly. So now the final turn is to the circles of column 2. We can copy and paste whole properties like this, and remove the second selectors, and instead of column 1 we will use column 2, and the outer circle of the column 2 has lighter background and the inner has darker background like this. Okay, I think this is 100% match. So let's submit and see the result. Okay, this is 100% match. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like, please thumbs up, and I will be uploading more videos like this on this channel. Bye bye.